Our farm animals and production animals need to have optimal nutrition to ensure that their reproductive systems work beautifully, their immune systems function optimally, and that they produce really well, whether it comes to milk or wool. They also need to live really good quality of lives and be happy animals. To do that, optimal nutrition is so important, and gut integrity is what is the key to ensuring that all those good nutrients are absorbed and utilized. A healthy gut has well-developed villi, which ensure the absorption of good nutrients, and also has a number of healthy microbes or bacteria in there that are there to help to support with nutrient absorption. The function of the liver, the small intestine, the stomach, the large intestine, that all works together to ensure that nutrient absorption can play a very important role in helping these animals to stay healthy, adding quality of life and adding quality to the production system.